Personalize your desktop. In this section, you will learn about setting the desktop background or wallpaper, desktop theme, window color, and screensaver. The steps to personalize the desktop are: click on the Start button, click on the Control panel. The Control panel window appears. Click on Appearance and Personalization category. The Appearance and Personalization section appears in the window. Now you can perform the following actions. Setting the background or wallpaper. The background of the desktop is called the wallpaper. It appears behind the icons. Now continue to set the desktop background. After the first 3 steps, in the Personalization category, click on the Change Desktop Background option. The Desktop Background section appears. Select the required wallpaper and picture position, fill, fit, stretch, tile, and center by clicking on it. Click on the Save Changes button. Setting the display theme. The display theme changes the visuals, the desktop background, window color, screensaver, and sounds on your computer. Now, continue to set the display theme after the first 3 steps. In the Personalization category, click on the Change the Theme option. The Personalization section appears. Select the required theme by clicking on it. Close the window. Setting the window color. It changes the color of the Windows frame, Start menu, taskbar, and the transparent glass effect. Now, continue to set the window color. After the first 3 steps, in the Personalization category, click on the Change the Theme option. The Personalization section appears. Click on the window color at the bottom of the window. The Window Color and Appearance section appears in the window. Select the required color from the 16 standard color palettes. Click on the Enable Transparency checkbox to enable the transparent effect in the taskbar, title bar, and other elements. Set the color intensity by sliding the color intensity slider. Click on the Save Changes button. Now see the changes in the color of the window frame, Start menu, and the taskbar. Applying the screensaver. When your computer is not in use for some time, an animated image appears on the monitor. This is called a screensaver. Now, continue to set the screensaver after the first 3 steps. In Personalization category, click on the Change Screensaver option. The Screensaver settings window appears. Click on the Screensaver list box and select the required screensaver. Set the waiting time in the Wait box by clicking on the up and down arrow buttons. Click on the OK button. Setting date and time. Every computer has an inbuilt calendar and clock. They keep on working even when the computer is switched off. The steps to change the date and time are: click on the Start button, click on the Control panel. The Control panel window appears. Click on the Clock, Language, and Region category. The Clock, Language, and Region section appears in the window. Click on the Set the Time and Date option in the Date and Time category. The Date and Time dialog box appears. Click on the Change Date and Time button. To change the date, under the Date section, select a month and day for your current date. To change the time, under the Time section, do the following. To change the hour, click on Hour and click on the arrows to increase or decrease the value. To change the minutes, click on the Minutes and click on the arrows to increase or decrease the value. To change the seconds, click on the seconds and then click on the arrows to increase or decrease the value. To change the AM or PM, click on the AM or PM and then click on the arrows to change the option. Click on the OK button.